The home. Love never faileth. 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 8. The first essential for a happy Christian home is that love must be practiced. Homes that are built on animal attraction and lust are destined to crumble and fall. Love is the cohesive force that holds the family together. True love contains an element of spiritual mystery. It embodies loyalty, reverence, and understanding. Love imposes a tremendous responsibility on all members of a family, but it is a responsibility accompanied by glorious rewards. Love, says the Bible, even as Christ loved the church, and gave himself for it. How did Christ love the church? He loved it despite its faults, its mistakes, and its weaknesses. True love does not fail. It loves despite personality defects, physical blemishes, and mental quirks. Love is deep, abiding, and eternal. Nothing can bring a sense of security into the home as true love can. Prayer for the day. Help me today to listen, to love and care for my loved ones with a heart that is made sensitive by you, Jesus.